Welcome to VAK's lecture. In our previous video, we have learnt about what is an IP address and the types of IP address. I will provide the link in description box. If you are interested, you may go through that. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the classification of IP address. IP address can be classified as dynamic IP address and static IP address. Now we will discuss these two. Now start with the dynamic IP address. When you connect your device like smartphone or computer to internet service provider provides you an IP address from the range of available IP addresses. Now your device has an IP address. So you can connect your device to internet and send and receive data to and from the computers in internet. Next time you connect your device to internet. Your internet service provider provides you some different IP address but from the same available range. Since IP address keeps on changing every time you connect your device to internet. So such IP addresses are called dynamic IP addresses. Now we will see static IP address. Static IP addresses never change. They serve as permanent internet address. For example, static IP addresses are used by the DNS servers. What are DNS servers? Actually, these servers are the computers that help you to open a website in your computer. Static IP addresses provide information such as device is located in which continent, which country, which city, and which internet service provider provides internet connection to that device. Once we know who is the internet service provider, we can trace the location of the device connected to internet. Therefore, IP address allows billions of digital devices to be pinpointed. Static IP addresses are considered somewhat less secured than the dynamic IP addresses because they are easier to track. However, following safe internet practices can help you to keep your computer secure, no matter what type of IP addresses you use. This is about the classification of IP address. If this video is helpful to you and you have learned something from this video, then please like this video and subscribe my channel if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching.